Hello. Hello. Good evening and welcome to our class. My name is Teacher Iris. How about you? What is your name? Milk? Is that right? Milk? Wow. Hello, Milk. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. How old are you? How old are you, Milk? Are you 5 years old? How how old are you? Oh, 6 years old. Wow. Okay. And where are you from? Where are you
From
from?
Japan.
Wow, very good. You're from Vietnam. So good job. So for this one, what is your favorite color? Is your favorite color pink? Because I can see you. Oh yes, color pink. Because I can see you are wearing a pink shirt. So your favorite color is pink? Like this? Like this pink? What color is this?
Pink.
Yes, very good. So this is color pink. How about this one? What color is this?
Pink.
Okay, very good. So your favorite color is pink. Wow. And how about your favorite food? What is your favorite food? Do, do you have a favorite food? Do you like chocolates? Do you like vegetables? It's okay. What is your favorite food? Is your favorite food rice, potato? What's oh, what's your favorite food? Vegetables?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, do you like vegetables?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And what did you eat for dinner? Do you or did you already eat right now? Did you already eat? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
Oh, yes. What did you eat for dinner? What did you eat? Did you eat rice and vegetables?
Pizza.
Pizza? Wow, that's very delicious. Pizza. Do you like pizza?
Yes.
Yes, wow, that's a delicious food, pizza. Okay. And how about your family, Milk? Can you describe your family, your parents? Do you,
Four.
oh, you have 4 members in your family? Oh, is it your mom, dad? Do you have a
Brother.
brother? You have
Yes.
a brother? Oh, older brother or younger brother? Is it older or younger than you? Older? You have an older brother? Yes or no?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Okay, so your family is mom, dad, older brother, and Milk. Is that correct? Oh, wow. Okay, so very good. So good job. So thank you very much for your quick introduction. And it's nice to meet you again, Milk. So now, are you ready for our lesson for today? Are you ready? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Yes.
Okay, can you do this? I am ready.
Yes. I am ready.
Okay, very good. So now let's move on to our lesson for today. So let me just open the lesson for today. So for a while. Okay, so let's have this one. Oh, this one. Okay, wait. Okay, so let's have this one. Okay, can you see the screen? Can you see it? Yes or no?
No.
Ah, no, you cannot see it. Okay, this one. Can you see the
Yes.
screen? Yes? Okay, so very good. So for this one, we will start our lessons. Okay, but first, let's watch a video connected to our lesson, Milk. So are you ready? Are you ready, ready, ready?
Yes.
Yes, okay, so let's go. Let's watch. Oh, wait.
Up, up,
Okay, let's start again.
everybody up, 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 everybody up, 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 everybody up, 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 everybody up, 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 everybody up, 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 everybody up, 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 everybody 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 up, up, up.
Okay, so Milk, what did you see in the video? Who are them? Or who are they? What did you see? They are they are children. So they are children or a child like you. And what are they doing, Milk? Are they walking? Are they jumping? Are they running? What are they doing? They are What are they doing? They are
Jump.
very good. Yes, very good. So they are jumping because for our lesson, so we have here everybody up. So up. So like what they are doing, they are jumping. They are jumping up. Okay. So let's take a look at our lesson. So for this one, welcome Milk to our lesson for today. So first, let's have our first things that we have here. So we have here, let's take a look at this child or children. How many children can you see in the picture? How many are they? How many? Let's count. One, two, three, four. So how many children are there? There are It's okay. There are how many? What number is this?
Five.
Four. Very good. So let's say there are, there are, let's say there are
Five.
four children. Okay, so we have here four, four children. So let's go and take a look at their names. So first, what is your name?
Minutes. Meal.
Okay, very good. Your name is Milk. How about this girl? What is her name? So we call her Julie. Ju.
Tomorrow.
Okay, one more time. Let's say Julie.
Julie.
Okay, let's say it three times. Julie, Julie, Julie. Ju-
Julie.
Ju-
Julie. Julie.
Okay, very good. So what is her name, Milk? What is the girl's name? Her name is Julie. Okay. So her name is Julie. Julie, Julie, Julie. Again, Milk. What is her name? What is her name? Ju.
Julie.
Very good. So, Julie. So, next, let's take a look at this boy. So, his name is Danny. Let's say Danny.
Daniel.
Okay, let's say it 3 times. So, Danny, Danny, Danny.
Daniel. Daniel.
Okay, very good. So, let's take a look at this boy. What is his name?
Daniel.
Okay, very good. So, his name is Danny. Very good. So, again, let's look at number 1. This girl. What is her name? Ju.
Juni.
Yes, very good. What is this boy's name? Da, da, what? Danny. What is his name?
Daniel.
Danny. Very good. One more time. What is his name? This one? Da.
Daniel.
Very good. So, Danny. Next, let's go to this girl, this one. So, let's take a look. What is the color of her shirt? This girl.
Purple.
Purple. Very good. So, the girl wearing purple shirt, her name is Emma. Let's say Emma.
Emma.
Okay, very good. Let's say it 3 times. Emma, Emma, Emma.
Emma. Emma. Emma.
Okay, very good. So now again, Milk. What is her name?
Emma.
Very good. Wow, good job. So her name is Emma. So very good. So next, for the last children or the last child, let's take a look at this boy. So this boy he is wearing a glasses. His name is Mike. Let's see. Okay, one more time. Mike.
My.
Okay, very good. Let's try to say it 3 times. Mike, Mike, Mike.
My.
Okay, very good. Again, Milk. What is this boy's name? What is his name?
My.
Mike. Very good. Perfect. How about the girl wearing purple shirt? What is her name?
Emma.
Wow, very good. Emma. How about this girl? What is her name? She has a flower on her shirt. What is her name? It's Ju, Julie, Julie.
Julie.
Okay, very good. It's Julie. How about this boy? He's wearing blue shirt. What is his name?
Nathaniel.
Okay, wow, very good. I can see that you have a good memory, so very good. So these 4 children, they have their name. Like us, we have our own name. So your name is Milk. My name is Teacher Iris. Okay, like these children, we have a name. Okay, again, let's take a look at this girl. What is her name? Hmm.
Julie.
Okay, very good. So let's just try to say it in a simple sentence. Let's say her name.
Julie.
Okay, her name is Julie. One more time. Let's try to practice it in simple sentence. Let's say her, her
Um,
name
name
is
is
Julie.
Julie.
Her name is Julie.
My name is Julie.
Okay, very good. So next, how about this boy? What is his name? What's his name? What is this boy's name? Oh, where is it? Why is it?
Daniel.
What is his name? His name.
Daniel.
Okay, very good. Danny. Let's say again. Danny.
Daniel.
Very good. Okay, let's say his
His
name
name
is
is
Danny.
Daniel.
His name is Danny.
Daniel.
Okay, wow, very good. So good job. So next, what is her name?
Emma.
Emma. Very good. So let's say her
Her
name
name
is
is
Emma.
Emma.
Oh, very good. One more time. Her name is Emma.
My name is Emma.
Okay, one more time. Let's say her. Her. Her name
Her name
is
is
Emma.
Emma.
Okay, very good. So next, the last child. What is his name? What is his name? He's wearing an glasses. A glasses. He is Mike.
My
Mm, Okay, very good. So his name is Mike. Again, let's say Mike. Mike. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's say his name is Mike.
is name is Mai.
Wow, good job. You are good or you are a fast learner. Very good. Very good, Mel. So that is the name of the children. So now, let's take a look here at our sentence pattern. So let's first listen to what they are saying. So let's listen.
Page 2. B. Listen, point, and say. Then practice.
Hello, I'm Emma.
Hi, I'm Danny.
Hi, I'm Julie.
Hello, I'm Mike.
Okay, so that is for what the students or what the child are saying. So now let's read them. Let's read them. Milk. Let's go first with this girl. What is her name?
Emma.
Very good. So in this story, Emma said, "Hello, I'm Emma." Okay, let's read it this one. "Hello,
Hello.
I'm
I'm
Emma."
Emma.
Okay, very good. So for this one, so for this sentence, we use hello. We use hello to greet someone. For example, hello, Milk. I'm teacher Iris. So we use the word I'm. I'm. We use the word I'm to say our name, to introduce ourselves to other people. Like for example, hello, I'm teach. What is your name? Hello, I'm Milk.
Milk.
Okay, very good. One more time. Let's practice it. Hello, I'm
Hello. I'm Milk.
very good. So that is how you introduce yourself to other people. So you will go like this. Hello, I'm Milk.
Milk.
Yes, okay. So let's read other children. How the other children introduce themselves. So let's read this one. So again, Milk. What is this boy's name?
Sunny.
Very good. So Danny. So Danny said, "Hi, I'm what is his name? Hi, I'm Danny." Okay, so that is how he introduced herself. So hi, I'm Danny. Let's read. Hi,
Hi.
I'm
Hi.
Danny.
I'm Sunny.
Very good. So next, who is she? What is her?
Junior.
Very good. One more time, let's say Julie. Julie.
Junior.
Okay, perfect. So Julie said, "Hi, I'm Julie."
Julie.
Okay, and for the last one, so who is this boy who wears glasses? Mike. What is his name? He is?
Mike.
Okay, very good. He is Mike. So Mike said, "Hello, I'm Mike." Okay, so that is how we introduce ourselves, especially at school, to other people. So we use hi or hello. So we also use our hands to greet other people. We say hi, hello, I'm Milk. Okay, yes. Can you try it one more time? Okay, let's try it. So hello, I'm Teacher Iris. Yes. What's your name?
Milk.
Okay, very good. So you will say, "Hello, I'm Milk." Okay, one more time. Let's try it one more time. So, hi, I'm Teacher Iris. How about you? I'm
Milk.
Wow, very good. So good job. So that is how we introduce ourselves. So very good. So I can see that you can apply it. So,
Page 3.
so next, let's go and listen to our song about Julie, Danny, Emma, and Mike. Okay, let's sing a song here.
C. Sing. Julie, Danny, Emma, and Mike.
Hello, I'm Julie. Hello, I'm Danny. Hello, I'm Emma. Hello, I'm Mike. Hello, I'm Julie. Hello, I'm Danny. Hello, I'm Emma. Hello, I'm Mike. Hello, I'm Julie. Hello, I'm Danny. Hello, I'm Mike.
Okay, so that is for our song. So again, Milk. Who is this or who is she? What is her name?
Julie.
Julie, very good. How about this girl? What is her name?
Emma.
Emma, perfect. And how about this boy? Who is he? Da,
Nathaniel.
very good, Danny. And last one is who is he?
Mike.
Very good. So he is Mike. So again, Milk, how do we introduce ourselves? So we will say first, hello,
So
hi.
I
What's your
name
What's your name? I'm Milk. So that is how we introduce ourselves. So hello, hi, I'm Milk. So very good. So now let's learn some new words here. So let's have our first word. Let's read this one. So sing. Let's say sing.
sing.
Very good. Let's say it 3 times. Sing, sing, sing.
Sing.
Very good. So next, number 2, talk.
Song.
Very good. Talk, talk, talk.
Ta. Ta. Ta.
Okay, very good. So next, sit. Sit.
Sit.
Okay, let's say it 3 times. Sit, sit, sit.
Sit. Sit. Sit.
Okay, one more time. Let's say sit.
Sit.
Very good. Perfect. And next is stand.
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 Okay, very good. So now let's learn more about of this word. Our first word is what is the boy?
Sing.
Very good. The boy is singing. So when we
Sing.
sing, yes, very good. So when we sing, it is to make music using our voice. So for example, do you know Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, Milk? Do you know it? Twinkle, twinkle. Do you know that one, the song? Twinkle, twinkle, little. Do you know that one? Yes or no? No? How about the song for ABC? A B C D E F G. You don't you know that one?
No.
I know also. How about the wheels on the bus go round and round? You know that one? You don't you also don't know? Oh no. What songs are popular? How about do you know how to sing? Do you know how to sing, Milk? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Oh yes. What are the songs that you sing? Do you sing rhyming words? Okay, so teacher just know a twinkle, twinkle, little stars. How I wonder what you are. So that is one song that we sing. So singing is making music with our voice. So next, this one. What is the boy doing? Let's say talk, talk.
Ta.
Okay, very good. So when we say talk, it is to use words to say something. Like for example, this one, teacher is talking. So we use our mouth to talk. Okay, so that's it. Okay, I think Milk. So it is the end of our time today. So sadly, teacher still wants to teach you. However, we don't have much time. Oh no. But it's nice to meet you, Milk. So you did a great job for our lesson for today, and I hope to see you again soon. So, good job for our lesson for today, or our demo class for today. So, good job, Milk, and see you again soon. Goodbye. It's nice to meet you again. Thank you so much for your time. Good night.